Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into Microsoft's ambitious plan to fix Windows 11 and win back the trust of its users. It's an exciting journey, and I can't wait to break it down for you. You see, Windows 11 has been facing some serious backlash lately, with users questioning its reliability and even its AI integrations. Microsoft's Windows chief, Pavan Divuluri, has heard the feedback loud and clear, and he's ready to take action. The plan? Well, it's a two-pronged approach. First, they're starting with a batch of immediate improvements, and then they're going big with even more changes throughout the year. Let's dive into the details. One of the first things they're tackling is the taskbar. You'll soon be able to move it to the top or sides of your screen, giving you more flexibility and a more personalized experience. And that's not all. They're also reducing unnecessary Copilot integration in apps like Snipping Tool and Notepad, making your workflow smoother and less disruptive. But Microsoft isn't stopping there. They're focusing on the heart of the operating system, performance and reliability. They want Windows 11 to feel snappier and more responsive, especially when launching apps like File Explorer. And they're not just talking the talk. They're walking the walk by promising to reduce resource usage and improve memory efficiency. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Microsoft is taking a page from Apple's book. They're aiming to make Windows run better on devices with 8 GB of RAM, just like the MacBook Neo. This is a huge deal, especially given the current RAM crisis. If they pull this off, it could open up a whole new world of affordable, yet powerful, Windows devices. But wait, there's more. Microsoft is also tackling the Start menu's latency by moving core parts of Windows to WinUI 3. This could be a game changer, making Windows 11 feel as responsive as its predecessor, Windows 10. And they're not neglecting File Explorer, they're promising faster search, navigation, and file operations, making your daily tasks a breeze. One thing that immediately stands out to me is Microsoft's commitment to improving the overall reliability of Windows. They're addressing OS-level crashes and even promising a more consistent device wake, which has been a pain point for laptop and gaming PC users for years. It's about time, right? And finally, a topic close to many of our hearts, Windows updates. Microsoft is listening to our complaints and is moving towards a single monthly reboot, with the ability to pause updates whenever we want. No more forced updates during shutdowns or restarts. It's a small change, but it shows that Microsoft is paying attention to user feedback. So, what's my take on all this? Personally, I think Microsoft is on the right track. They're addressing the core issues that have been frustrating users and making bold promises to improve the overall usability of Windows 11. But the proof will be in the pudding, as they say. The Windows Insider community will be putting these changes to the test in the coming months, and we'll see if Microsoft can deliver on its promises. In the meantime, I'm excited to see how these changes shape up and how they impact our Windows experience. It's a journey worth following, and I'll be here to keep you updated every step of the way. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Windows 11 #Microsoft #Tech Updates